No, Ruthie.
We got 5 minutes, Ethel. She'll be here. Trust me.
We should have gone with Estelle. She can't hear, but she can focus.
Okay, Ruth is the best person for this. I'm telling you, she knows how to do something like this. You're gonna have to trust me.
I
Ethel,
hope
please.
so.
You gotta
I
trust
hope
me.
so.
You gotta trust me, babe. Any minute. Is it her?
I don't know. I heard something. Oh. So, we all know the plan.
Yes, we know the plan, Ethel. You've gone over it 50,000 times.
Ruth, do you know the plan? Ruth?
Okay, please, just, you know what? She knows it.
Seriously?
Okay, she's fine. Just be nice, will you?
Okay. Ruth, just keep a lookout. If you see anything, use this. And something else. Here.
What the heck is this?
Here.
Did you make these?
Yeah.
Ethel, nice work.
Thank you, Vivian.
Like this.
Okay.
You ready, babe?
Okay, let's do this thing.
Let's do it. Go!
Ruth, stay there. Ready?
I was born ready. Let's blow this, baby.
You're my bitch, Vivian.
All right, let's do it. All right, we got it. Come on, Ethel, let's go. Let's go.
D7, G51, G51, N38.
Bingo!
Crap. Hey! Everybody stay calm and no one will be harmed. Ethel,
What?
remember what you said in the car?
What?
Something about the plan?
Right. Sorry.
The money!
It's in the back.
All right! I want your wallets, your cell phones, and your jewelry in this bag now! Here we go. All right, what do you got? Come on, put it in here. Hurry, quick. What is that, a baby purse? Come on, wallet. All right, who's got something? Right here. Come on. Yeah, maybe you shouldn't wear your pants so tight. Might be a little easier. All right, come on, right in here. What do you got going? I don't want that band. All right. God, that's ugly. Where'd you get that, JCPenney? All right, come on. Get in here. Boom, right in here. Oh, you need to get more money, lady. All right, let's go.
It was here somewhere.
Where?
I don't know.
Find it! What was that?
Nothing.
Yeah. Oh, don't be afraid. What do you think? I'm gonna shoot you? I might! Let's go! In now! Now, throw it. Just throw it. I'm sorry, so you're in a wheelchair. I'm so terribly sorry. All right, let's do it now. What do you got? Go. Boom. Everybody in there. We got it? All right. Hey, you! You tell me what that was or I'll blow your face off!
A panic button.
Is that like life alert?
Excuse me, ma'am. Is bingo still going on?
Put your money in here.
No,
Last chance.
I want it fair and square.
Okay, fine. How much did you win?
My mother left her purse at home. I have it here with me. Could I leave it with you to give to her? Do you know Dorothy Wilcox? Nice hat. Crazy fucking old people. Hey, what the hell?
$75, $85, $100. Congratulations.
We have to go right now! Oh, I just peed.
Say a thing. Nobody say a thing, because I'll be back. Nobody say a thing.
Holy fucking shit.
Get down on the ground!